How to put two databases on one page in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to put two databases on one page in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open Notion into your browser, sign into your account, and head over into that specific space where you want to add two tables. So from here, go ahead and enter the command /linked view of data source, and then click on it on the suggestion. So under this, select that specific database that you want to add into this page. And then you can also go ahead and add more databases into this page by doing that same step on adding this specific database. And that is how you can basically add two databases on one page in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.